Leapion economical fiber laser cutting machine has new design and appearance. The electrical control cabinet is changed to double doors with door handles. The machine cutting head door has been replaced with a magnetic lock, which is more convenient to operate. There is a part of the machine cutting head left blank for customers to put their own logos on. The number of auxiliary loading wheel has been increased on the front of the machine and on both sides of the Y-axis. Better auxiliary loading, allowing materials to reach the cutting table more conveniently. There are 3 color alarm lights installed on the beam, red for alarm, green for normal, and yellow for standby. The laser source equipped with a closed box with cooling fan, making it easier for customers to install air conditioning. The laser's mounting bracket is also stronger. An air pressure valve is added to the side of the machine to better protect the air circuit. Change the position of the emergency stop switch to easily operate. The number of positioning rulers has been increased to facilitate the placement of materials. Technicians who have been in the industry for many years assemble electronic control components. And neat and elegant wiring is our strict standard. The economical cutting machine is specially designed for cutting thin metal sheets. After a new design appearance, it is more convenient to operate. It is mainly used for cutting stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum plate, galvanized plate and other materials. It is ideal for cutting thin sheets, much faster than machines with high power. After improvement, the maximum idling speed can reach the actual 60 m/min, maximizing cost savings for factory owners. The sheet metal part of the machine is equipped with a stainless steel panel, which is dust-proof and wear-resistant. If it is worn out, the customer can replace it by himself. We can provide free sample testing service. Please inform us of the materials you need to process and send us the drawings. We will send you test videos and pictures within 5 days. Compared with traditional cutting processes, fiber laser cutting machine technology uses the energy released when a laser beam is irradiated onto the surface of the metal sheet. Because the laser power is so concentrated, only a small amount of heat is transferred to other parts of the metal sheet, causing little or no deformation. In addition, it has many advantages. The cutting slit is narrow and the precision is high. There is no need for subsequent processing after cutting. The laser processing system itself is a computer system, which is suitable for personalized processing, especially for sheet metal parts with complex contours and shapes, which require large batches and small batches. Suitable for processing materials with high hardness, high brittleness, and high melting point. Non-contact processing, small inertia and fast processing speed. Laser has a high degree of automation and saves labor costs. Widely used in metal material cutting industry, aerospace industry, machinery and equipment manufacturing industry, automobile manufacturing industry, advertising kitchenware industry etc.